Good morning, my dear students. In my previous classes regarding workbook, grammar, articles, prepositions, a brief explanation in a extended manner I explained. I think that whatever the exercises which they have given in your workbook completed, you may be completed. Today it is essential, grammar is dependent on that. Let us go for another section part in grammar, that is verbs. So, verbs in your workbook, third unit 1, third section here, verbs. You know that verbs. Here verbs means we should know tenses and time. It tells about at what time we are doing, means action. What the action will be doing, according to that action, the time, we have to use what? Proper verb. That is what here. A verb is defined as a word which shows action. Shows action means here that word, what it shows? Action or state of being. In what condition that is? State of being. The verb plays an important role in a sentence. So, in that sentence, subject, verb, object. So, verb is very important, plays role in sentence. Every sentence or a clause must have a verb. Must have a verb. It will be there. And we should know action of that verb, state of being, in which condition it is that action is, that we have to identify, and we have to identify action of that verb, then only we can write it properly. Recognizing the forms of verb is often the most important step in understanding the meaning of a sentence. If we want to understand a sentence, then here what we should know? So, recognizing of what? Tense, forms. Recognizing the forms of a verb. Tense, nothing but time. Which time? That tense. Forms of a verb is often the most important step in understanding the meaning of a sentence. So, exactly if we want to understand a meaning of that sentence, we must be good at recognizing tense. So, I have given here tense with example, then easily you can what? Do here exercises in your workbook. it will what? Page number 10, only what here 5 pages, 10 to 14, only 5 pages, and some exercises they have given. I will explain all these examples, tenses, simple, present and future, simple tense, present tense, then what? Future tense. And afterwards, if you go through in your workbook, I think that you will be what? Doing very well without what? Mistake. So, remember here, a verb is defined as a word which shows action or state of being. The verb plays an important role in a sentence. Every sentence or a clause must have a verb. Recognizing the forms of a verb is often the most important step in understanding the meaning of a sentence. Once we have ability to understand recognizing the what tense, then easily we can understand a sentence, what they will be given, that we can understand. And even we can write it. Here, while writing, we do mistake. To avoid those mistakes, we must be perfect in this what? Verbs. So, we will be avoiding what? Mistake. So, for that purpose, what? To understand the meaning of sentence, first basic thing we should know, recognize, write proper form of what? Correct form of what? Verb. So, let us see this what I have written on this board. If we go through, I think you will be doing exercises what they have given in your workbook. Okay, let us see here. See, first verb, tense and time. So, one side here what? Tense. Example, you have to remember, try to first recognize verb in this what? Sentence. And what are the changes will be going on, that also we have to keep in our mind. So, first one here, present tense, simple present tense, past tense, future tense. In this what? Present tense, see, simple present tense. They walk home. So, walk, see this verb walk, here subject is what? It is in plural, they, not first person. I walk means plural, they walk home. Simple present tense, that is what here you to be understand. Here subject, verb, walk. We cannot write, even there is no need to what? Use helping verb. After subject, no need to use what? Helping verb. So, they walk home. Then present continuous tense. See here, present continuous tense. They are walking. They are walking home. See, once again subject, helping verb are plus ing, walking. They are walking. He is walking. Person is very important. Person, and is it a singular or plural? That we have to know. So, they are walking, are plus ing. Here verb walk. Here verb are plus ing means we have to identify that if it comes are plus ing, is plus ing, am plus ing. So, like that here present continuous tense. Next, present perfect tense. There, please try to focus, concentrate what are the changes will take place in action. What? Verb. What are the changes will be taking in this what? Verbs. So, they are walking home means are plus ing. I have past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. I have lived here since 1997. So, perfect tense here present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense. Have plus lived. I have lived here since. So, perfect, present perfect. Then present perfect continuous. So, here present perfect continuous. I have been living here for years. For years. Walk, simple present, are plus ing, continuous, then perfect, have plus lived, then perfect continuous, have plus been plus ing, living, have been living. So, in present tense, we have what? 4 forms, and we should have ability to recognize. Even though if it is present, in that present we have 4 forms, and we should know what are the action will be changing in present tense itself. So, like that here, then easily we can write it, examples which they have given in your workbook. So, next one here, so next here past tense, present tense, past tense, simple present tense. See, in this simple present, simple past, simple present, here simple past tense, there simple past, there present past, simple past tense, SPT, simple past tense. When we see this one here, walk, suppose if it is there, that word walk, walked, but here it is not there. Peter lived in China in 1975. See the difference? Peter lived, simple past tense, live, lived. So, walk, walked. So, simple past tense, verb, action, time of what? Doing action. So, here lived. Then past continuous tense, there here present continuous tense, here past continuous tense, is walking, are walking, am walking. So, here past continuous tense was reading, I was reading, he was reading, I was reading. Here past continuous tense, I was reading when she arrived. Lived was reading. See what the changes we can see here. Past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, was reading. Then past perfect tense, PPT, past perfect tense. Once again here, we had been, perfect, had, we, plural, I, first person, singular, we, first person, plural. So please remember those persons, first, second, third persons. Then is it a singular or plural? That also we have to remember. We had been to see her several times before she visited us. See, had been, had plus been. Past perfect tense, had been. Present perfect, have. Past perfect, had. Present perfect continuous, have been. Past perfect continuous, had been. So here, past perfect continuous, he had been watching her for some time when she returned and smiled. So these are the what things we should know, and we have to remember. Recognizing forms of tense is very important. So had plus been plus ing, watching. Here had plus been, was plus reading, then ed means lived. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous. Had plus been plus ing, watching. He had been watching her for some time when she turned and smiled. So that is what here. Same thing what we have 4 forms in present tense, in past tense also we have 4 forms, and changes whatever here it is there in action, maybe time what we call tense, that we should what keep in your mind. According to that action we have to use appropriate, suitable, helping verb plus main verb. ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬು ಮತ್ತು ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬು ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವಿಧಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಈ ಥರ 4 ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ವರ್ಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಲಿವ್ಡ್, ವಾಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನೊಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋ ಥರ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ verb to write, according to that sentence we have to write correct verb in that blank. So then only what easily without mistake we can what write it. So that is what here present tense, past tense, then another one here future tense. So future tense, simple future tense, SFT. They will go to Italy next week. Will go. So here helping verb will go to Italy next week. We cannot write went. It is wrong. So we must be aware. They will go to Italy next week. Then future continuous tense. Will plus be plus ing, traveling. They will be traveling by train, continuous. So in future, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ simple future will, continuous will plus be plus ing. So perfect, here future perfect tense, we will have arrived, will plus arrived means ed, arrived in the state by the time you get this letter. Future means we will have arrived in the state by the time you get this letter. ಈ ಪತ್ರ ಬರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ನಾವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೈವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್. will plus be plus ing means continuous tense. Then perfect tense, here future perfect tense, will plus have plus ed means arrived. Then future perfect continuous tense, by the end of your course you will have been studying. See, will plus have plus been plus ing. You will have been studying for 5 years. So will have means will plus have plus been plus ing. By the end of your course you will have been studying for 5 years. So once again, present tense, past tense, here future, you have 4 forms, and using of those what verbs according to time, according to action, which verb to be used, that is most important. We have to remember. Maybe that a confusion will take place. We have to wait and see the sentence. Which one will be the correct to be written in that given blank. So that thing you have to do in your workbook. You have to do is read those sentences and which verb according to sentence. You can write it. So that for that purpose, just have taken these examples. So I think already you have learned in your high school, but once again we should know. So nowadays, whichever the competitive exams will be conducted, you will be some marks will be allotted for this English vocabulary, means grammar, that will be there. So these are the tenses you to be remembered. Next, helping verbs. So this helping verbs once again plays very important role. Overall, we have 23 like that. 23 they will say. Maybe helping verbs. There are in 23. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be, have, has, do, does, did, will, would, shall, and should. And there are 5 more helping verbs: may, might, must, can, could. Even models like that they will say, but they are here? Helping verbs. In this helping verbs we have 23, and these helping verbs will play and also decide what time, action, state of being, verb. Verbs state of being. ಆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇವು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, will have been, ing, studying. So future perfect continuous. See, have, are, is, are, have been, was, had, will. So it will play. Helping verbs play very important role. So that is what here. If you remember this, then easily you can do workbook. You can easily carry this easily you can get it good marks. You can get it. See, read the following sentences and identify the verbs. In your workbook, see, identify the verbs. Read the following sentences and identify the verbs. Verb, which verb it is? I wake up early in the morning. I wake up. Wake, woke. See, wake, that verb, in which tense we have given. So, I have given all 12 forms: present 4, past 4 and future 4. I wake up early in the morning. So, action or state of being, when we see the verb, so we must be aware of that, in which tense it comes. A simple present. Simple present. Shreyas is working on his project. Is working. So, here are, because of plural, are, is, plus ing, then we should know that by seeing is plus ing, which tense? Present continuous. Lingraj, Mr. Lingraj has bought a new car, has bought. So, here Lingraj has bought. Present perfect, present perfect, present perfect, because he, person, I it is there because of I have. If the comes what here? Third person. He has means he has brought a new car, present perfect. Then the dance program will begin, not began, will begin at 4 p.m. Simple future. Will begin, simple future. We went, we went. See, by seeing that verb itself, that action, time, identification of what here? Time. We can guess it, not guess it, we have to what? Write it, means know in which tense it comes. We went to the circus yesterday. Simple past, simple past. Harini was sleeping, was sleeping, was reading. I was reading means Harini, she was sleeping, was plus ing. When the phone rang, when the phone rang means past continuous. So, like this here, read the following sentences and identify the verbs. Like this here, generally future action, another one point you should remember, future action is indicated using simple present, present continuous tense or modals, or modals. So, here future action, not future tense, future action. Sometimes generally, in generally, action which will take what? Future. Future action is indicated using simple present, present continuous tense. Example, Samir goes. See, goes, that verb, what it identifies? Usually it will indicate what? Simple present. Samir goes to Hyderabad tomorrow. We should not take what here? That this one, word tomorrow. So, future action is indicated using simple present, sometimes present continuous. So, Kavya is submitting, is plus ing, submitting. Kavya is submitting her assignment by the end of this month, by the end of this month. But we should not take that what? End of the month. So, here when we take is plus ing, continuous, present continuous, future action to be indicated is indicated by using simple present, sometimes present continuous. So, then they will announce the result tomorrow. So, like this here you have to go through workbook. They have given fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate answers and complete the following conversation using appropriate form of the verbs. So, only verbs you have to write in bracket, given in bracket. Then complete the sentence using the correct form of the verbs in bracket. In the bracket they will be given verb, but you have to write it correct one. So, that you have to do. I hope you understood what I explained, and then what the exercises are there in your workbook. Today itself sit and complete this one. In my next class, once again I will come with a new grammar part. Thank you.